Complex code? We've all been there, staring at a screen full of cryptic logic, wondering how things got so tangled. It's easy to let things spiral out of control, especially when deadlines are looming and features keep piling up. But here's the good news. You can keep it simple, and your future self will thank you. Imagine opening your project a month from now and instantly understanding what's going on. No detective work required. Let's be honest, nobody likes wading through a swamp of spaghetti code. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can turn even the most exciting projects into a nightmare. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 hacks to keep your code simple, maintainable, and most importantly, sane. These are the habits that separate the pros from the rest, and they'll save you hours of headaches down the road. Trust me, developers love number 3. It's a game changer for teams and solo coders alike. Tip number 1. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. This classic principle is your best friend. Don't overcomplicate things just to look clever. The simplest solution is almost always the best one. If a line of code doesn't solve your actual problem, it's just technical debt waiting to bite you later. Every extra line is another opportunity for bugs to sneak in. Delete what you don't need. Be ruthless. If it's not essential, it's just clutter. Your code base should be lean and focused, not a dumping ground for just-in-case logic. The less clutter, the fewer bugs. Simple as that. Clean code is easier to read, easier to test, and way easier to debug. Tip number 2. Solve today's problems, not tomorrow's. Focus on what needs to work right now. Don't get distracted by what-ifs that may never happen. It's so tempting to over-engineer. What if I need this feature 6 months from now? But, Yagni, you ain't gonna need it. Build for now and only add complexity when it's truly necessary. Future-proofing often makes your code harder to maintain, not easier. You'll end up with features nobody uses and logic nobody understands. Tip number 3. Break it into bite-sized pieces. Modularize. Divide your code into small focus functions or modules that do one thing and do it well. Small functions are way better than giant chunks of mystery code. When each piece is simple, you can test, reuse, and fix things without breaking the whole system. If you can't explain what a function does in 10 seconds, it's probably too complicated. Try describing it out loud. If you get lost, your code probably will too. Divide and conquer, and your brain and your teammates will thank you. Collaboration becomes easier, and onboarding new team members is a breeze. Tip number 4. Refactor ruthlessly. Don't be afraid to revisit your code and make it better. Improvement is a continuous process. Think of your code like a rough draft. The first version is never perfect, and that's okay. What matters is making it clearer and more efficient over time. Go back, cut the redundancy, boost the clarity, and don't be afraid to rewrite what doesn't feel right. Your code should evolve as your understanding grows. Clean code today saves you hours of debugging tomorrow. You'll spend less time hunting for bugs and more time building cool features. Tip number 5. Use tools. Don't reinvent the wheel. There are amazing libraries, frameworks, and utilities out there for almost every problem you'll face. There's no extra credit for writing a custom function when a solid library or framework already exists. Leverage the work of the community to save time and reduce bugs. Why write 100 lines when 10 lines plus a library does the trick? Your time is valuable. Spend it solving new problems, not reinventing old solutions. Stand on the shoulders of giants and ship faster. Learn from open source projects, read great code, and don't be afraid to ask for help. At the end of the day, simplicity equals maintainability. The easier your code is to read, the easier it is to improve, share, and scale. So go ahead, make your code simple, grab your coffee, and watch everything run smoothly. You'll be amazed at how much more productive and confident you feel. Like for part 2? Drop your number 1 simplicity hack in the comments. Let's build a community of clean coders who help each other grow. Let's help each other build awesome stuff. Remember, simple code isn't just easier, it's smarter.